on objects as well as on living organisms. Now, I have here a turtle, and you might be wondering what's the mathematics behind this reptile. This turtle is an example of a Voronoi tessellation. Voronoi tessellation is a partition of a plane into regions close to each other of a given set of objects. In the simplest form, this turtle has finite points on its plane, which is also known as seeds or sites. And for each of these sites, there is a corresponding region in which they are connected by a line segment, and then intersected in the middle, forming a right triangle. Now, all of these segments that are connected with each other forms a new structure which is called Delaunay triangulation.
Nature of mathematics can be seen everywhere. The Fibonacci spiral is a spiral that is built by constructing arcs that connect the points of squares based on the Fibonacci sequence. I noticed that the shape of an egg follows the pattern. This is an illustration of an egg. There are two Fibonacci spirals, starting with 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and lastly 21. Therefore, egg is an example of an Fibonacci spiral.